Yes, guys, how to monetize your channel faster. Guys, hope you guys are well. Guys, listen, as you know, this is my, if you like, my new channel, my experiment channel. I've got a few channels. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to show viewers how to grow your channel quickly. Now, this is actually going amazingly. It's going right to plan. Now, they say that average time for someone to get monetized, to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views, 4,000 hours, watch time hours, is about 2 years. That's if you're, not bad. If you get it in within 1 year, that's pretty good. That's really good. But a lot of people tend to get monetized after that. There are the exceptions when people get monetized much quicker, but they are really quite rare. So if you get around the sort of 1 year sort of mark, that's pretty good. Now, to actually get monetized, you need to do a lot of things and you need to be very consistent. So I'm going to show you a few things. Now, as you can see on my screen, this is my channel. This is one of my newest channel. And you can see that my growth has been pretty steady. This is just back from the 6th of March. But if I take you even further, you can see that it started much less. So I started this, let's say, January, actually working on it. So January, February, March. So 3 months, right? 3 months. And it's been steadily growing up to the stage where right now is sitting at 268 subs. It's got 171 subscribers plus 171, 106 percent higher. My watch time is 171% higher. My views is 78% higher. So this is growing daily, guys, and I've got a system that actually does work. Like I said, I've got a few channels, so I kind of know how to grow channels now. But guys, stay right to the end because I've got a couple of nuggets that you're gonna love, and some really pretty amazing tips to help you hopefully grow your channel even faster. Now, let me just show you about this channel. This channel is called Just Teaching Stuff. So I'll go to the main sort of page. It's called Just Teaching Stuff. I just teach, talk about different things, teach different things. You can see I've got some shorts, and I think shorts is a good way to get yourself out there as well. Shorts is really good because look, you can hit a lot of views. You can get also a lot of subscribers through this way. Now, I've managed to get subscribers through my shorts, so I do know that shorts work really well. However, the thing about shorts is they do kind of hit a lot of views, and then they kind of sort of stop a little. They kind of stop a bit. They're not like the long form videos, and I think long form videos are obviously the best, right? They're still amazing. They're still brilliant. So here are my sort of videos for my long form, and look, guys, they kind of range. Look, if you look at the views, they range. You got 593 here. You got, this is quite new, so but this is, look, 3 days old. 593. That's not bad. 7 days old, you got 288, you got 86, 284, 63, 157. So what it is I'm getting views from a lot of my videos. Okay, and what I'm doing also is I'm being pretty consistent. Now look at this. If you look at this, 268 subs, 115 videos, right? 115 videos. Now granted, I think I did a lot of shorts, so granted, maybe half of those are shorts. So let's say 60, 65 videos, right? Long form, right? And I do think long form is really good, and it's very important to do, right? Very important. Now you can also see my times that I'd spend on these is like, look, 11 minutes, 18 minutes, 11 minutes, 10 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes. So I do like to go around the sort of 7 minute plus mark. And the reason why it's good is because when you do get monetized, I mean, it's really good to have that much so that the adverts can go on there, right? So you need to kind of plan a little bit when you're working on your channel, right? Now, when you look at my topics vary. Literally, I'm teaching stuff that I know. It's always important to do something that you enjoy, that you love, that you know about. That way you can keep it consistent, keep it growing, right? Because that's important too. But like I said, look, if you look at the count here, you can see I get 623 views in the last 2 days, so about 300 or so a day. Now this started obviously from zero, and I started about 3 months ago, and it was going from like maybe 5 a day, 5 views a day. But with the videos that I keep producing, the more I'm getting seen. Okay. Now the thing about this is which is very important. I'm going to show you something, right? I'm going to show you something that is really like sort of helping me grow. Now you can see, look, 7.9k views, which is 194% more than the last 28 days. So guys, it's massive growth, really. My impressions have grown 86%. My click-through rate is 4.7, and my average duration is about 2.28. Not amazing, but again, it's not too bad. It's not too shabby, but to be honest, I want to get it way more than that. Now, guys, like I said, I do have a lot of videos on ranking and YouTube and a lot of things like that. So, if you can, please do check out my playlist also. But wait till the end of the video, because I want you to really check out, what I'm doing here. But there is a playlist on YouTube and algorithms and how to rank. Okay, now guys, check this out. I'm going to show you something. Look down here. Now, browse features is a powerful tool that YouTube uses. Now, I'll tell you what browse features are. It says traffic from the home page or your home screen or from any other browsing features. So I'm getting 57% of traffic from people's home screen, right? Home page. So what it is almost like it's recommending me. YouTube is recommending my content, which is, like, it's amazing, right? 16.9% is through YouTube search. So when someone types in a search term, 17% almost mine comes up. Suggested is 15%, right? And then the others are obviously channel pages and so on. So this is so important, guys. If you can get yourself suggested by YouTube, you're going to grow, because YouTube is pushing it out there. Okay, YouTube is pushing out your content. So look, from my external, there's nothing external hardly. What is there? Oh, Google search. Wow, look at that. Proportion of your traffic through Google search, right? So search results that link to YouTube videos. That's pretty amazing, man. I didn't even realize that myself. 25.7%, right? That's amazing. Google search, guys. So obviously I'm doing something right. Now, let me tell you something. When I actually help me rank, I use, YouTube SEO. You have to. Guys, if you're not using SEO, you have to. Now, the two that I use, the two amazing ones, because I use two, right? The two amazing one is called TUBEBUDDY, all right? TUBEBUDDY is probably the number one for creators. There it is, TUBEBUDDY, right? So I use that. And TubeBuddy is amazing. Like, if I just show you an example, I just typed into the keyword explorer, like, let's say I want to talk about how to start a podcast, right? I just typed in how to start a podcast. It gives you whether it's got a good score, whether it's something to go for. It gives you something called unweighted and weighted, like to be able to see if this is something that you could do or not do. It gives you suggestions for other kind of keywords that you could rank for and work on. It's fantastic. And again, with TubeBuddy, like I said, is amazing, but there's also something called VIDIQ, which I use. So if I look at how to start a podcast, typed it in VIDIQ, you can see it's giving it a ranking. They say it's quite good. It's got search volume there, which is 82,000 and low competition. And then also gives you suggestions, just like TubeBuddy, of different keywords that you could possibly use, if not that one, right? So, to help you rank, guys, to help you actually get yourself seen on YouTube, you need to use some SEO. So if I look at my sort of channel stats, you can see I'm moving quite well. Look, if I go to my dashboard, for example, for VidIQ, obviously I've got a dashboard for TubeBuddy as well. So far I got 268 subs, and I got 413, right? Hours watch time. Now I'm on track, guys. This is like month 3. I'm on track. And don't forget, this is exponential. And I will keep you updated, guys. Keep looking, keep watching me, and I'll show you how it grows. We're now in April, So you're going to see how it's going to grow. And then also what VidIQ does is it gives you some fantastic daily ideas of what you can do videos on. Because sometimes you just run out of ideas and you just want to know what you're going to do videos on. So it's really important to do that. But yeah, guys, so check this out. Like I said, I'm going to give you a couple of amazing nuggets now, right? Now, if you look at my channel just straightforward, look at even my thumbnails. Now I do my thumbnails obviously on software called Canva. And Canva, you can see all the links to all my softwares that I use in the description below. You know, my SEO software and all my thumbnail designs and how I do things, right? But the SEO is the key. Now, look at my thumbnails. There's nothing special about these, because what it is the key to this is that what's working for me right now is that I'm producing one video a day, right? One video a day. Now, obviously, I'm not going on the laptop and producing one a day. What I'm doing is I'm doing them in batches. So I might do like 5 videos in one sitting on a topic that I want to talk about. So, for example, look on the screen, it says how to start coaching business. So it could be on that. So how to start coaching business, and I'll just do the video and I'll do another video. So about 5 videos in one sitting, and I'll basically just record it, just like I'm doing right now. And then what I'll do is I have a set format for my thumbnails. And look, they're not changing, are they? If you look at my thumbnails, they're all pretty much similar. You got me, got a laptop, and you got writing, right? And then you got whatever it is that I'm talking about. Keep things simple, guys. Don't overdo things, because if you overdo things, you're going to burn out and you're not going to have time, because you're growing. You're at the growing stage. So growing requires you to be conservative with your time, but also being able to churn out the videos quite quickly, quite easily, so that you're able to push those views out. So like I said, make sure that you're able to do your videos quite quickly. Make sure that you choose topics that you know about, so that you can give value to your viewers and actually feel passionate about. And also keep your thumbnails simple. Don't overdo it. Yeah, in time you can make them, like, look at mine. Mine are very simple. Like in time I'm gonna like make them more complicated, more interesting. I'll do that. But I'm at the growing phase for this channel. This channel is growing, guys. Look at it. And like I said, YouTube likes these videos so far. They're suggesting these videos. So try to choose topics that the people want to watch. Try to choose topics that people want to see. Now, simple as when I look at my TUBEBUDDY or VidIQ, you can see, look, they're saying that it's quite a good score. The search volume for this is excellent, right? Excellent. Competition is okay, but it can be optimized. So you're going for videos that you can actually get a good volume and rank for, guys. I'll look at VidIQ as well. They're saying the same thing. Let me just go back one step for that specific keyword. Look, the volume is good. 82,000 people a month, guys, want to search for how to start a podcast, because it's quite popular. Competition is quite low. So guys, these are the little nuggets, guys, that I hope you take away. But like I said, you got to check out my playlist, because I've got loads of videos on how to help you rank, how to get your videos seen, and so on. And I'm going to be doing more as well. But do check out all the links in my description with the SEO for TubeBuddy, VidIQ, and all the rest of it, so that hopefully it can help you also get your channel monetized very quickly. Like I said, guys, hope you like the video. Don't forget, there's a couple of videos that are going to come up soon. Check them out, and hopefully they can help you as well get yourself monetized real quick. Guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.